QUIKRETE Concrete Repair is a textured acrylic latex formula for sealing and repairing vertical and horizontal non-structural cracks in concrete, stucco, and masonry walls, or sidewalks, patios, and driveways. It dries quickly to a tough, flexible finish that helps prevent water and ice damage to concrete surfaces. It features excellent adhesion, weather resistance, and a textured formula that blends well with concrete surfaces. And it's available in a 10-ounce tube for caulk guns or a 5.5-ounce squeeze tube for smaller jobs. Before you apply QUIKRETE Concrete Repair, be sure the surface is clean, dry, and free of oil and grease. Remove any dirt, dust, and loose or chipped pieces of concrete from the crack before filling. Cracks narrower than an 1/8 inch wide should be chiseled out to at least that width before application. Cut the tip of the tube at an angle to make a 1/4 to 3/8 inch opening and fully puncture the seal at the base of the tip before inserting the tube into a standard caulking gun. Pull the tip over the cracked surface to force the caulk deep into the crack. Don't apply it any thicker than 3/8 of an inch thick in one application. On horizontal surfaces, deep cracks can be partially filled with sand before application, and the caulk can be tooled while still wet to smooth the surface. Excess QUIKRETE Concrete Repair can be cleaned with a damp cloth before it dries.